Everyone, I'm studying UKG. Today I'm telling rhyme. Red apples, red apples, hanging on the tree, hanging on the tree. One for mommy, one for daddy, one for me. Red tomatoes, cut into three. One for mommy, one for daddy, one for me. Red cherries, very sweet. No for mommy, no for daddy, all for me.
Clap.
Good morning, everyone. Morning, everyone. My name is Narashmi. I am studying UKG. Today my topic is breakfast. Today my breakfast is idli. The shape is circle shape. I like idli. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Prana. I am studying nursery. Today my body is happy dishes food. Happy dishes yellow. Happy red color. Happy dishes yellow food. Happy dishes sweet. We get happy dish
In
winter season. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I'm telling about myself. My name is Goodpudi Joel. I'm studying LKG. My school name is Hyderabad Public School. I'm 5 years old. I'm living on God. Thank you. I am studying LKG. Today my word is apple. Apple is fruits. Apple is healthy fruits. Apple is the vegan taste. Apple is circle candy. My name is Keshav. I am studying LKG. Today my word is orange. Orange is sweet and taste. Orange is orange color. Orange is fruit. Thank you. Lying on the floor, lying on the floor, make the face skyly, make the face skyly, big get up, big get up, big get up. Thank you. My name is Dakshu. I'm studying UKG. Today I'm telling about rainbow. Rainbow comes after rain. Rainbow shaping semicircle. Rainbow has 7 colors. The colors name is indigo, indigo, blue, yellow, green, orange, red.